Hi there. I hope we're doing alright today. Got something simple here, still from Lidl. It's a collapsible walking stick for the elderly, any problems with your legs, just a general walking stick, easy collapsible. So let's get it out of the box. Let's have a look. I haven't had it out yet, so as you all probably know, I've got problems with my legs and sometimes I just could do with a bit of a walking stick. So put that to the side here. Yes, so it folds up quite small. It's got a nice handle, very nice handle to be fair. So it's a nice like rubberized handle. It's got a nice rubberized stop at the bottom as well. Some 4 segments, a little handle loop there as well. So let's see how it works. So this is like, I thought that would have been elasticated, but it's not. It's a solid plastic device. Squeezed it in and it came out. So that's how I did it. If you're having trouble, I squeezed it in and it came out. But yes, as you can see, oh, it's automatic, spring loaded, so it goes straight in. So there's like an elasticated, if you can see, part. Then look, there's a, I gather this is a height. Oh yeah, it's the little nodules here. So push it in higher, like that. Depends how much you want. And then there's a tiny bit to make it more secure. There's this plastic noggin here at the end, what slides up and down. As you can see there, so whoops, the handle's very nice anyway, with a nice rubber stop on. Just bear with me a second. It does feel solid. I'm twisting it, so when it's locks into play, it's on a taper, so it goes and locks in quite firmly, so that's okay. So for the size of it, to pack away, it is actually quite good. This is actually, so you can put it in your rucksack or just in a bag, and when you're not using it, it folds up into actually quite nothing. Yes, I'll probably use that quite a bit. So don't forget, you can alter the size by pressing that in and sliding that up and down. So yeah, that's another product from Lidl. Walking stick, well worth its money. Thanks for watching. That's a quick one today. Thanks and goodbye.